Hi class. Today I wanted to show you how to find a journal in your field of study through KCC's library. So the first thing you're going to do is pull up kcc.edu, and then you'll notice that up here at the top there's a tab for our library. You click on that. Once there, you can scroll down and you'll see an Articles tab. You click on that one. This brings you to a list of the databases that KCC has access to. Once here, you can pick whichever database is most relevant to your field of study. For me, that would be Academic Search Complete. Now what I'm doing is I'm looking for an article relevant to my field of study. So say I'm interested in creative writing. I type in creative writing, and I always come down here and I select full text. That way I know I have access to the entire article and not just the abstract. Then I click search. Now what I have here is a list of articles that I have access to through KCC's library. But again, I'm looking for a journal. So what I'm going to do is scroll through, read the title, which is the very top of each section here that is underlined all in blue, all in caps. And if that title is relevant to my field of study, I'm going to look at the line underneath. This line provides the publication information for that particular article. In this case, it was published in a journal called Gender and Behavior. That doesn't sound quite right for what I'm looking for, so I keep scrolling down. This next article was published in the Australian Journal of Language and Literacy. That's a possibility. If I keep going down, this article was published in a journal called Medical Education. That's definitely not what I'm looking for. This one was in Educational Studies. This one down here is in College Teaching. And then we have one in Composition Studies. I'm very interested in the one in Composition Studies because, again, it's about writing and that's what I'm looking for. So I click on the article title, which brings me to a page that just has more information about that particular article. Again, though, I'm not interested in just an article. I want the whole journal. So I click on the journal title found here, which will bring me to a page that has the publication details for that entire journal and also includes all of the issues over here on the right-hand side of the screen. So in order to complete my journal analysis, I have to read 3 articles from the same volume of the same journal. So I'm going to drop down 2017 and I'm going to select volume 45, issue 2. Now what I have here is the entire journal on my page. To do my analysis, I of course am not going to use the from the editor. I want to figure out which articles are most common in this journal. So I'm real quick going to just scroll through, read the articles that are most interesting to me, find 3 of them that I feel are most relevant or most indicative of the rhetorical style of the journal, and those are the ones I'm going to use to complete my analysis. In case you don't know, when you get to these articles, if you click on the PDF full text, it will bring you to a screen where you have access to the entire journal. You can read it right here on the screen. You can download the PDF to your desktop or to a folder so that you have access to it later. And then you have all of the information you need in order to complete your journal analysis and learn how to write in your particular field of study. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.